The fire about to cook red.
Hey, babe, there you go.
Hold on. Oh, we put it on the hours and it's good.
No matter. Stacy on me.
JC, one more time, gang. So your boy just bought some stuff to cut the grass. We gotta hook it up. See.
See how hard this grass is. This grass hard.
Hey! See?
What's up, guys? I'm here too.
Got a little push mover right there.
Yep.
Got a little weed eater. What we call it in the South, weed eater, not trimmer. Weed eater. Okay. We got a what is this?
I don't know, like I said a lot of stuff up, huh? Hurry up and get this grass cut up. Get a little mini me trying to cut the grass too. All this grass they gotta cut, guys. From the front to the back. From the rooter to the tutor. Jesus Christ. But it's worth it. It ain't gonna take long though. Think about it. You gonna start the front first? I already know how to do this. I'll cut a lot of grass. I'll get a lot of the crack. Good. Must be like a clampy, huh, babe? Can I take that red piece off? Let me hold it. All of these came on it already. No. Alright, he about to set this up, and I guess they started cutting grass. Let y'all get a close-up of this wonderfulness. They started cutting the grass, guys.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Run it up. And let's get it. Road to 1,000.
Yep. Peace.
Peace.